Cordial greetings, classmates and tutor. My name is Kelima Guerrero and I'm a student of bachelor's degree in foreign languages with emphasis in English. I will be exposing about dialect. Dialect is the linguistic system derived from a language, but its difference isn't too big with respect to other of common origin. Dialects are considered as a minor category system from a language. So dialects are actually particular ways of speaking and writing of a specific language. They are linked to linguistic diversity. Today I will talking about a specific Colombian dialect, the Norte Santanderiano dialect. As the name says, this dialect is spoken on the northeast of the country. The principal characteristics of this dialect are it sounds strong, like you're in a fight, like screams. And the cantadito, or intonation, is more the final part of the phrases. An example of that is this phrase. Ay no, mamá, yo a usted le dije que no me trajera eso. Some typical words of this region are aculillarse, which means or refers to a person who is afraid or who doesn't dare to do something. Toche. This word has a lot of meanings. They just use it for everything. Tumbar is the action to steal. Encaramarse is the action to getting on some surface. Hurgar, which means searching or rummage. Estirar la pata. The literal translate is stretch the leg, but that means die. Thank you.